Hello, what's up, okay, the fashion. Welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to style your frontal. So I didn't really have anything specific in mind. I was just freestyling and going as the spirit leads. So guys, if you want to check out how I did this week, make sure you check out the video I posted recently. I'm going to put a link in the bio so you can click. And if you want to see how I prep this hair before styling to make it solid so I don't rip it out when I'm styling, since there is going to be a lot of styling and pulling and this, make sure you check out the second video, which I'm going to drop in the link in the description. So guys, let's get into it. So like I said, I didn't have anything specific in mind, so I'm just going to be freestyling. So first I'm just going to make some side parts because I think I'm going to focus on the middle part. So I'm just going to divide the hair into 3. Just make sure you have equal parts so you come up with a clean and classy finish. So after that, I'm going to go in with my wax stick. So you could use hair mousse if you don't have wax stick. I think it's still going to get the job done as well. Then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and just slick it down. I just want it to be nice and flat while I do whatever. I don't know what I'm doing with. So let's just have fun with this video, guys. So make sure you straighten it out, smoothen it out, flatten it out, whatever you want to call it, so you have a smooth surface you're working with. So after slicking it down, I'm going to go in with my rubber band and just hold this in a ponytail. Just make this as tight and as secure as possible. So after doing that, I'm going to go in with my hairspray and I'm just going to kind of make it look a little bit slick and smooth so it can last a little bit longer. So I'm using my blow dryer on cold setting so the spray can dry a little bit faster because we got places to be. So yeah, so make sure you get it dry and perfect. So like I said, I didn't really know what I was doing. As you can see on the other side, I started one style and decided to switch it up with another style. So you're just going to see how it goes, I guess. So I'm going to braid half of the hair that I sectioned and I'm going to braid it down until it's long enough to go across the head like so. Then I'm going to attach it to the other side of the hair and I'm going to braid it down until it's long enough to go around the hair a second time. So let's braid. So now that it has gone round the second time, I'm going to do a finer braid which I'm going to wrap around the ponytail. So here is a finer braid and you're just basically repeating the same process. So guys, we're done, and as you can see, I'm going to tuck it in a ponytail. And I'm going to use my spray to hold down the braid around the ponytail, kind of like secure it. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer once more so I can speed up the drying process. On cold setting, I usually use my dryer on cold setting because what we need is sprays to dry up the glue faster, the spray faster. So I'm going to make sure I get each section of the hair so it can be dry enough for me to begin working on. So as you can see, I'm going to keep rotating my dryer, making sure I get each and every section of the hair till I feel no longer has any glue in it. Then I can go in with the next step. So here's what our hair is looking like so far. And our next step is going to be the sides. Since I wasn't certain of what I'll do with them, I decided to buy time by braiding up my ponytail and just kind of wrap it around a little bit. So I was just making sure my hair was dry and all of that. So for the sides, I'm going to just slick it down, and I'm going to tie this down at the back of my hair. So I'm just going to slick this down and make it ready for when I'm about to install it. So I'm going to use my hot comb to just slick it down, make sure it's smooth and flat, since I'm going to tie this at the back of my hair. And I'm going to go in with my glue so I can just make this last a little bit longer, because I'm going to use this wig for some days before I can restyle it. So I'm just trying to make it last longer. So I'm going to use my blow dryer on cold setting to speed up the process to get the glue dry quicker. So I'm just going to work my way through the hair, make sure I'm getting each section of the hair. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to get a pin to pin it down, hold it in place, since like I said, this other part of the hair will be completed when I've installed this hair wig. So yeah, so I'm going to hold it in place, and I'm going to do the same for the other side. So I'm not going to record that so I don't waste any of your time. And for the ponytail, I'm just going to hold it up because I prefer it that way, and I'm just going to get rid of this chance of hair that is kind of messing our look. So yeah guys, here's what it's looking like so far. And I'm going to go ahead to style the back of the hair. I think I'm going to go with some loose coils or one coils, or I'm going to see about that. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.